Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous êtes en pleine forme. Everyone trust are doing great. Bienvenue à cette citadelle d'apprentissage de français de chez vous. D'accord? Aujourd'hui, this class is going to be on, today's video is going to be on Élision and Liaison. Let's start with Élision. Élision is so cool. D'accord? If you, for example, if you have a word that ends in a vowel and the word that comes after it begins with a vowel or silent H, the rule is the two vowels cannot stand beside each other and the silent H is treated like a vowel. Right? Okay, so what do we do? Instead of having something like lo, anglais, lo, anglais, because anglais is masculine, what do? We go to lo, which has the first vowel, E. We take it away. It goes to one ocean like that, okay, and replace itself with an apostrophe. C'est clair? Replace it with an apostrophe, then we bring it together. That is l'anglais. That gives us l'anglais. In the case of l'hôpital, hôpital, the H that begins hôpital is a silent H as well. So silent H is treated like a vowel. Est-ce que c'est clair? We have lo, hôpital. The E too goes away, replace itself with an apostrophe. Don't forget, it's always the first vowel. The first vowel is the one that sacrifices itself to give itself a good shape. D'accord? L'apostrophe, then hôpital. So we have l'hôpital. C'est clair? We have s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, if it pleases you, because it has si and il, n'est-ce pas? S-I-I-L. Two vowels cannot stand beside each other in French. The first vowel goes away. To replace itself with what? An apostrophe. That is what we call Élision. It often works with DE, works with the articles, words that begins with, that ends with a vowel, right? And the word that comes after it begins with a vowel or silent H. Do you understand? Est-ce que vous comprenez? Okay, so let's go straight to liaison. Liaison makes us speak so sweet. D'accord? Just as the name sounds, liaison. How is liaison used? We have three kinds of liaison. Est-ce que c'est clair? Three kinds of liaison. We have the forbidden one, the optional one, the obligatoire, which is the compulsion one. La liaison obligatoire, la liaison facultative, and la liaison interdite. C'est clair? So the one that is interdite, let's start with the forbidden one, is the et. Et. So the T in et, which means and, is not pronounced. Et il arrive, and he arrived. We don't say et il arrive. We say et il arrive. Et is not, though you could be tempted, but it's wrong. C'est clair? EST is the optional one. You could say elle est italienne. She's Italian. She comes from Italy, n'est-ce pas? And you can still say elle est italienne. Elle est italienne. Elle est italienne. The compulsion one is the one that ends with T, ends with D, ends with S or an X, ends with V as well. D'accord? All these ones they change. That is why we have comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? C'est clair? So the T there is linked to the vowel that comes after it. That is the next word that comes after a word. If the first word ends with a consonant and the second word begins with a vowel, the last consonant is linked to the vowel. Sometimes it changes the vowel, the consonant. Like comment allez-vous, it doesn't change, just the T that is well pronounced. On a norm, we won't pronounce that T. It's a consonant, so it ends, and we don't pronounce the last consonant. In French, it's comment. But because there's an A coming after, we just say comment allez-vous, and you respond with what? Je vais très bien, merci. Et vous? We have grand ami. Grand ami, big friend. D'accord? Big friend. Right? So if grand ends with D and ami begins with A, the D will be linked to the A, then you pronounce the D as T. Grand ami. Grand ami. We have to say our age. J'ai 6 ans. J'ai 6 ans. I'm saying I am 6 years old. The X that ends 6 and the A that begins with on is linked together. So it makes us to pronounce the X as what? Z. 6 ans. 6 ans. Even 9 ans. 9 years old. F changes to what? V. This is what the liaison do. En conclusion, what is liaison? Liaison is the linking of the last consonant to the next vowel. In some cases, it changes the consonant. In some cases, we don't pronounce it, like et, which means and. We don't pronounce the T, we don't liaise it, we don't link it with a vowel. C'est clair? Do you have any question? Do you now understand the liaison and élision? Si vous avez des questions, aux commentaires. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.